This is our GMC 14-inch by 19-inch in the gap by 40-inch center precision engine lathe. This machine is wired 220 volts single phase, so it's a single phase machine. It's got a 6-jaw chuck, tool post, steady and follower rest, live center, dead center, threading dial, coolant, backsplash, and foot brake. Gonna bring it on for you now. We're in the low range, 115 RPM. Cross. Longitudinal. Half knot. Foot brake. Well, we'll change directions. Show you that it's working. Going the other way. Cross. Machine has a high and a low range. We're in high range now. The brake works well. This will be back to 70 RPM, low range. Reverse. This is 300 RPM. Next, which is 460. And we'll go one more in the high range. This is 755 RPM. This is our GMC single phase engine lathe. Can be seen under power in our Lebanon, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching our video.